As far as frame of leadership, people are extremely important when it comes to leadership and education. We need to care about the kids, we need to care about the staff, we need to make sure everyone in the building feels important. So people come first. We need to meet the needs of our students. We need to focus on their academic needs as well as their emotional needs. When staff and students feel like their needs are being met, they're going to be more willing to work hard, show up on time, and bring a good attitude. And a good attitude also leads into a positive morale. Bringing a teamwork like atmosphere to the building is very important in education. We need to make sure everyone feels a part of the family or team, however you want to put it. We want everyone to be willing to work hard in a positive way and avoid complaining and just see the good things in people and in our building. Motivation is difficult as far as motivating kids or uh, teachers. Motivation really comes from yourself, but as far as being a leader, I think just leading by example is going to motivate people. Talking about working hard and all that sounds great in meetings, but leading by example is extremely important, and I think motivation comes from the inner belief in oneself, not from someone telling you you're great or you can do it. And then relationships are going to be a main focus for a leader. You need to make sure people are feeling connected to you, get to know you on a personal level, and that's going to help with their needs, their morale, and their motivation, and being treated as equals. In my building, as far as who reports to who and all that great stuff, or who's the most important, teachers and students would come first. I think a lot of times we pretend we're putting the student first when really we're just taking away their personal responsibility. We're giving them excuses. Oh, they can't focus. They can't do this. So I'm going to put the teachers and students first. And with that being said, the students are going to take personal responsibility for both the positive and negatives that happen. And then the cooks, paras, custodians, office staff, maintenance staff, they are all very important to the building. Without them, the building is not going to be successful. They're extremely important to not only what the students need academically, but emotionally and even health-wise. And then alumni, community, and parents, they are important to keeping the traditions of the school, keeping everyone involved within the town, but they would not, to me, be as important as the teachers or the kids. Everyone obviously is important, but just make sure the teachers and students come first is what I would